Hello students, good morning everyone. Today in chapter 2 exponents, we are going to learn the next concept, expressing very small numbers in standard form and scientific notation using exponents. Okay, so students, a number is said to be in the scientific notation if it is expressed as a product of a number between 1 to 10 and integral power of 10. Means when any number is expressed as a product of a number between 1 to 10 and integral power of 10. So such number is called as a scientific number in the scientific notation. Okay, so if you remember students, last year we have expressed big numbers in the standard form. For example, suppose it is like this. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore, it is 8 crore 10 lakh. So if this is big number, if you want to express this big number in the standard form, how we are going to do that? See, the number which we are going to express in the standard form, that should be product means multiplication. Okay, product of a number between 1 to 10 means here the number which we have to write, it should be between 1 to 10. It should not be less than 1 or it should not be greater than 10. Okay, so this number how to express between 1 to 10 in this way, 8.1. okay, 8.1. After that, here product of a number between 1 to 10 and integral power of 10 means in the power of 10. So here what power of 10 should be written? That we need to count here places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have put decimal point, right, before 1. Okay, so after decimal point, how many places remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's why 10 raised to the power 7. Got it? Let us take another example. If it is 349, so 349,000,000,000. Okay, at that time this number, if you want, this big number, if you want to express in this standard form or in scientific notation, then what we are going to do? We want here number which is between 1 to 10, right? So here we need to write this way, 3.49 into power of 10. Then which power of 10 we will get here? Actually decimal point was here at the end, so we have shifted decimal point towards left side by how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 here. Okay, that's why 10 raised to the power 9. Understood? So in this way we expressed big numbers in the standard form. So today we are going to learn to express very small numbers in standard form. Now small numbers means let us take some examples of small numbers. 0.0005. Is it small number? Yes, it is very small number as it is decimal number and it is 10,000th place. 5 is at 10,000th place. Okay, 5 10,000th. That means it is very small number. Further we will take one example, 0.000237. Okay, let us take few more examples. 0.00008, 0.0034. okay, so these 4 examples for these 4 very small numbers we will express in the standard form. Now see here, 0.0005. first what will do, you know, first these decimals will convert into fraction. Okay, so to convert this decimal number into fraction, see here the number is 5 upon, write 1 here, and here see after decimal point 4 digits are there, that's why put 4 zeros, that is 5 10,000th. Okay, 5 10,000. So this we have expressed in the form of numerator and denominator. Now see, is equal to phi upon this 10,000, no, 10,000 expressed as a power of 10, integral power of 10. Now see, write 10 here, then what power should be given? 10,000 means which power of 10? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth power of 10. So 10,000 means fourth power of 10. Okay, so phi upon 10 raised to 4. But here phi upon 10 raised to 4 is there, and we want to express in this way, in the form of product. Okay, so what we will do, phi multiply by this 10 raised to 4 we will bring up, right? So when 10 raised to 4, which is in the denominator, when we will bring it in the numerator, this exponent will become, here exponent is positive, so it will become negative, 10 raised to minus 4. Understood? Now see a second example, 0.000237. Okay, now see, let us first convert this number in such a way that this the number in the numerator should come between 1 to 10. So here if you will see this only number, it is 237. We want number between 1 to 10. That's why what we are going to do, you know, this decimal point we will shift here. Okay, so that it will get 2.37. Understood? So let us do like that, 2.37 upon, here write 1. Now how many places we have shifted towards right? 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4 from here. That's why 10 raised to, sorry, after 1 4 zeros. Okay, that means what, you know, 2.37 upon 10 raised to 4. Now let's this 10 raised to 4 bring in the numerator, 2.37 into 10 raised to minus 4. Understood? See the third one example, 0.00008. Okay, so here also 8.8 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places we have shifted here, that's why 5 zeros. That is 10,000. So now see here, sorry, 1 lakh. Now see here, 8 upon 1 lakh means 10 raised to the power 5. 50, that's why power 5 is equal to 10 into 10 raised to 5, bring in the numerator, it will become 10 raised to minus 5. Okay. Fourth one example, 0.0034. Here also, where you will put the decimal point, we want number in the numerator, we want between 1 to 10. That's why. So what we are going to do, this decimal point we will shift here after 3, so that we will get here 3.4, and the number we will get between 1 to 10. So 3.4 upon, how many places we have shifted? 1, 2, 3. That's why 1, 1, 3 zeros after 1. Okay, is equal to 3.4 upon 10 raised to 3 is equal to 3.4 into this 10 raised to 3 bring up, it will become 10 raised to minus 3. So the answer is 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so in this way, these very small numbers we have converted into scientific notation. Okay, once again I repeat, scientific notation means what, or expressing very small numbers in scientific notation means what? A number is said to be in scientific notation when it is expressed as product of number between 1 to 10 and integral power of 10. Understood? Here what is meaning of integral power of 10? This integral means integer, so power of 10 should be integer. You know, integers means positive or negative number or 0. So here power of 10 should be integer. As we have seen here, power of 10 is 7, 9. Understood? They are positive integers. Here just what is difference? They are negative integers. So this form, it is called scientific notation of the numbers. It is called scientific notation. Means what we have done here, you know students, this is standard form of numbers. This we have converted into scientific notation. Okay, now opposite of that, when numbers are given in scientific notation, we have to we can convert them into this form, standard form. Okay, so there you will be given question, write the following numbers in the standard form. So standard form means there should not be a product of this, means 10 power of 10 and these such numbers. Okay, so standard form means this, the decimal numbers. So let us convert this scientific notation into the standard form. What we have to do? 5.72 into 10 raised to minus 3. When there is minus 3, no, power is negative, power of 10 or exponent of 10 is negative. What we have to do? This decimal point we have to shift towards left side. For first, this 572 write as it is. Now in this number, where is decimal point? Here, after 5. Where we have to shift it? As when power is negative, we have to shift the decimal points towards left side. Okay, left side. That's why, as since here power is negative 3, so 3 places towards left side. So from here, before 5, 1, then 2 and 3. Here, from here 1, 2 and 3. 3 places we have shifted towards the right side. Before that, write 0. So it is 0.00572. This is the standard form for this scientific notation. Okay, let us do this. 1.76 into 10 raised to minus 8. Okay, since exponent is negative, that's why while converting this scientific notation into standard form, we will shift the decimal points towards the left side. Okay, how many places? 8 places. Before that, this number write as it is, 176. Now decimal point is here after 1. We have to shift 8 places towards left side. That's why here 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here it will come. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and before that write 0. So it is 0.000000176. Okay, understood? So this is scientific notation, and that we have converted into standard form. So these two questions are based on this concept. First, you will be given standard form of the small numbers, and that you have to convert into the scientific notation. And when scientific notations are given, you have to convert that into standard form. Okay, so I hope you have understood this concept. Now what you have to do today, after watching this video, you have to solve question number 12 to 14, which is based on this concept. And after that, multiple choice questions of this chapter. Okay, today you have to complete question 12 to 14, which is based on this concept, and then multiple choice question, that is 15 to 20. Okay, 15 to 19 there are multiple choice questions, and 20th question is higher order thinking question. Okay, so try to solve the multiple choice questions along with this. If you have any doubt or problem, we will discuss it during problem solving period. Okay, so thank you and have a good day.